Happy Solstice. Today, in the Northern Hemisphere, we celebrate the shortest day of the year. The winter solstice is a time for contemplation, to think about light and dark. It's a time to think about sacrifice and clearing out old ways, old things, old relationships even, to make way for new, exciting times. So I did a little winter solstice spell by making a star out of different types of fabric, and then I embroidered it. This was set with intentions for the year, and you'll notice that it had a few little dark pearls and a black ribbon added to think about the dark and the importance of light and dark. Here's my tutorial. Draw a star on a background fabric and then get some scraps together and a glue stick. Trim your scraps and decide where you want to put them. Then put a dab of glue stick on each piece to keep it in place. The scraps I've used here are a mixture of eyelet fabric, kimono silks and pieces of linen. The glue stick is washable and keeps things in place temporarily and are easier than pins when you're working so small. Sew your scraps to the base fabric with a variety of embroidery stitches. I've used running stitch, seed stitch, French knots and some blanket stitch to create a nice variety in the design. Keep sewing all the way around the star to create a textured, dynamic design. As you sew, think about your intentions and what you wish to manifest in the year to come. With each stitch you sew, you are imbuing your star with your manifestations and magic. After using embroidery stitches, I added some pearls, some in a darker hue to echo the longest night and the duality between light and dark. I also added a black ribbon, again, to contrast light and dark. If you want to keep the shape rigid, you can use this stiffening textile medium, and you just paint a little bit around the edge of your star so that it doesn't curl when you hang it.